Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact the Qantas customer service. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in qantas.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the travel guides, flight deals, plan, book, fly, and all those things. And in the middle of the screen, we have the option where you can go and book a trip. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the Qantas customer service. So you can do it by the phone numbers. For Australia, call 131313. They're available 24/7. For the USA, call 1-800-227-4500. They're available also 24/7. For Europe, call +44 20 8600 4333. And for other countries, call +61 29433 23929. There, you can contact them by their email. So their email is frequentflyer@qantas.com.au. You have the online chat, which you can go and visit. So basically, you can go down here, and here we have the contact us section where you can go and contact them here. Or you can, of course, visit a local office if you're in a town or city which has the local office of course, Qantas. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as, guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.